Good day, folks. How's it going? My name's Kevin. If you've never been here before, I like to cook, especially meat. Today, we're doing beef finger ribs. See that right there? This is going on the smoker. We're gonna smoke it using mesquite lumberjack pellets on our Pit Boss grill. Let's trim this up. So, to start this up, we're just gonna remove this silver skin on here. Gonna peel it off. I'm gonna make a little incision right along the bone there. Take a second to get it up. All right, so the super simple way, just get that little tag up there. Take a cloth, paper towel, or whatever you have. It allows you to grip it better. Peel this junk off. But yeah, that's it. So we took that off, removed the silver skin, that thin little thing there, and now we're just gonna season this up. Now these are already pretty square. I don't really need to trim them at all there, but if you needed to, just grab your boning knife. This here's my Doll Strung Shadow Black. Love this thing. Not only is it sexy, it's also efficient, as it is just a finely crafted blade. Link to this down in the description below if you'd like your own. You can use my code and get 10% off. But let's get back to the meat. So we got our salt, pepper, garlic, and thyme in this one. That's what I'm going with this. I've spoken about this lots. Beef loves salt and pepper, and these recipes kind of seem repetitive as they are, but it's just times and temps that might be a little bit different. This one we're gonna start at 225 degrees Fahrenheit. And we're gonna leave it on there for a while, and at the end we're gonna crank it up to about 270. So we're just gonna keep an eye on it. There isn't a ton of meat on the finger bones, but there is some. It's not a super expensive cut as far as beef goes. Right now in today's world, beef is insane. But find a local farmer. They got the best prices and the best quality. But anyway, let's just dust this up. Again, this container makes life easy. And I'm not gonna do quite as much as I normally would because, again, not a ton of meat. So you don't want it to just really overpower it. But I'm gonna give a nice sprinkle, okay? Okay. And that's it. That's all I'm gonna do. So light dusting. You can see some meat through there. If you don't see any meat through there, you put too much on, dust them off. But get it all. Get the whole thing covered. Now this is gonna go on the grill. I'm gonna preheat my grill to 225 degrees Fahrenheit, like I said. And then I suspect this is gonna take, I don't know, 4 or 5 hours. I mean, I'm gonna treat it, we'll see how it goes. Like short ribs with beef can go, depending on how you have them cut or what short rib they are, 5 to, I've had some go up to 8. The big Dyna ones, upwards of 10 hours. These ones are not gonna take that long as there's not that much there. Similar to a pork rib, I'd imagine. They are gonna cook a little differently because it's not the same animal, it's different. So every cook is different. Most important thing you can do is keep a barbecue, smoker, grilling notebook, journal. Write what you're doing, keep track of everything. So if you do screw up, you can go back and fix it because you can see where you screwed up. Make notes of it all, what you did, how you did it, times, temperatures, when you wrapped, when you pulled. For example, I am going to pull these things and wrap them in peach paper at a certain point. I want to write that down so I know for next time. Very important. Keep a notebook. All right, so I'm gonna go lay these on the grill. The next time you see me, we're gonna be pulling them off to wrap.
All right, so I'm crouching down here like a lion to attack some prey, because otherwise you wouldn't be able to see this. I'm by myself, so I'm trying to make this work, and I'm just too lazy to bring my stand from the kitchen to the deck. A lot of twisting involved. Don't need it, this works fine. But this is ready, and so is the grill. So let's throw it on. See that? I can get a close-up for you if you'd like. I've got it set to 225 degrees Fahrenheit for a little bit of time. We'll wrap it and crank it up to 270 in the end. And it'll be done and ready to consume.
All right, so our ribs are looking pretty good here. Now we're just gonna wrap them up for the final, and we're gonna turn it up to 270 degrees Fahrenheit rather than the 225. So here we go. Simply gonna rip off my peach paper. Go like that. Fold it over. on the one side, fold it over on the other, put the top over, and just roll it up. Very simple game. This allows it to breathe a bit. Pork ribs I do in aluminum foil. I'll often put some liquid in there like apple cider vinegar. Here I did not. We're gonna put this back on the grill, turn the heat up a bit, and it should be done fairly soon. All right, so I'm like 99.3% sure these are done. I didn't probe them, I just kind of feel them. Look at the juices there, just lovely. Look at that. That, oh, just pulled away from the bones, nice, sexy. That's the way ribs should be, nice and sexy. All right, so I'm not gonna wait any longer. We're gonna cut these buttes. Just. Who wants to see me eat it? You wanna see me eat it? I think you do. Look at that. Look at that. So good. Thanks everybody for watching. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Stay tuned for our next video. Not sure when it's going to be, but it will be barbecue. Please subscribe. Comment below. Throw this a thumbs up. It's a little thing. Goes a long way. Thanks again. Happy barbecuing every year. Happy barbecuing every year. Happy barbecuing everyone. This weather is beautiful. Get out there and smoke something.